4683 Oak Fair Boulevard, Tampa, Florida. It's a job we running the camera inside the line from looking in the lobby area, and we find a lot of sludge around the pipe. We already have the camera in to look first before recording. And we're going back. Holding water in that section. Sludge. The pipe looks like PVC. On the area is holding water. It's not clear to see if it's about for the sludge created or just we got the belly. Looks like for the sludge we have to clean the line to double check what's going on in that section. That's close to the cleanout area. It was all cast iron on that section in here. This tag, and then we put it out to clean. Right here, that's the line going to the toilet in the lobby area, and when we can see. It's a lot of sludge created, so need to be jetting. That was cast iron. He's running water. And then it was the belly right here. Looks like a combo. Those cast iron. That section it looks like PVC, no clearing, but the section that we going in started, it was cast iron. We stop this video right now. We continue searching, see what's going on. Thank you for watching.